Hello everyone, I am Sonu Sin. I am the student of BCA PPU Batch 1 and today I am talking about fundamental of computer. But before starting my presentation, I would like to thank Raju Padhyay sir for giving me this great opportunity. So whenever we are talking about fundamental of computer, the first question came in our mind is what is computer? Basically, computer is an electronic device. It takes the input, process it and give us a meaningful output. It is a tool we use to store and manage our data. Now you might wonder how actually computer works. Computer works on IPO cycle. Here I stand for input, P stand for process and O is for output. Computer takes input as a data, then process it and show some result as a output. And the device we use to give instruction to the computer is called input device. For example, keyboard, mouse and joystick is a good example of input device. Then computer will process the data and give some output, and the device we use to show result is called output device. Like monitor, printer or projector is a good example of output device. Now you might wonder how all things work together. Here the main components come. CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is a brain of computer. Just like our brain control our body parts, same CPU control components of computer. And there are many components present inside the CPU like motherboard, processor, RAM, ROM, hard disk, SSD, power supply and cooling fan and many more components present inside the CPU. If you have any question, you can ask me. I would like to answer it. Thank you.